Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do another Disney transformation. We're doing Esmeralda from the classic movie, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. And I'm showing you guys all the products that I'm going to be using in today's video. They are very affordable. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. And it's great product. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. First, I'm going to prep my face. By doing that, I'm going to use my hydrating moisturizer. It's lightweight and oil-free, and it does work for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this absolutely works. It's by Ruby Kisses. Very light. You don't even know you have it on. So I applied that on first, and then we're going to go ahead and go straight into the makeup palette. It is Ruby Kisses Wakita Beach. So it mostly have the purple, the lavender, the pinks, and the teal. So it goes right with the character of choice that we're doing. So I blended the light purple and the dark purple together, and I'm blending it out with my brush. So I'm blending out the outer corner, because I always like doing that first to get that circular motion and also get that cut crease of doing the makeup. I don't know why I love doing this, but it's my favorite. So I am blending that eyeshadow out so you guys can see it. I'm going to use like the silver, like white color, and then I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm blending that out just a little bit so you guys can see it. So I am blending it out in the inner corner of my eye. And as you guys can see, that it looks amazing. So just take your time when you blend your colors, and you got this. You got this. So I'm just blending it out so as you guys can see. And now I'm going to use my Blackout eyeliner by Absolute. And also I'm going to use my Nika K first. It's in the color teal. So the color, I said she used it's mostly purple and teal. So I did use the auto twist, and I just apply it at my bottom of my eye liner, and to get the teal look. And you can also use eyeshadow, but I chose to use the Nika K auto pen. And I am using my eyeliner, again the black, to draw out a little line and to make sure that it is perfect. And now I'm going to use my tint moisturizer by Ruby Kisses, and this is in the color Warm Coconut 345. They also have tint concealer and foundation. So I'm using a little moisturizer because it's real light, you can't really tell. And then I'm going to go in with CoverGirl Clean Invisible. I have it in the color Tawny, and I put that in the front because I go from light to brown, my color. So I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses setting spray, and I'm going to let that dry for a couple of more minutes. And while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and prep the other side. I'm going to do my eye. So if you guys want to see this again, I'm going to show you guys blending the light purple and dark purple together. I'm going to blend out the outer corner of my eye of those two colors in a circular motion, and it is easily in a circular motion, not too rough. So I'm blending it out. And now I'm going to go back in and use the silver, white color, off-white. I love this color. It's just a pretty color as well. And I'm placing that in the inner corner of my eye, halfway to the middle of my eye. And I'm going to blend it with that purple to have a cut crease, a contrast of the makeup. So it's really easy to do. So once the makeup is done, I'm going to blend out my foundation moisturizer, and I'm blending it out underneath my eye so it can be very concise. So I'm going to show you guys one more time what I did. So this is my eyeliner. So I'm just following the line the shape of my eye to draw my liner the way I would like it. So that's what I'm doing, and making sure that it looks really good and even. Make sure it's even. You don't want it to be uneven. So I am doing that, making sure that my makeup is A1. And now I'm going to apply this tint moisturizer again, warm coconut underneath my eye a little bit. And then I'm going to take my CoverGirl Clean Invisible, and I'm going to place that in the front, towards the front, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Make sure I didn't drop anything. And now I'm going to use my setting spray. And I'm going to go in with my Nicka K eyeliner pencil. It's like $1 at the beauty supply store. I'm using it in the color teal, and making sure that my eyes do pop with the character. So now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses blush, and this is the blush pearl one. I have it in the color Passionate Pony, and I love their blushes. I just don't wear it much because I do break out. I don't know why with blushes I do, but that's just me. I have sensitive skin. But I just blend out that foundation / moisturizer, and then I'm making sure my eyeliner is looking nice. And that's the look so far. So I'm making sure I'm blending right underneath my eyes, and it's not too much. So I'm putting the little blush. I just did 2 little small dots, and I just used my finger. I didn't use a brush. I just used my finger to blend the blush out, so the character had more of a natural, but like a little blush glow. And this is it, guys. This is the final look of Esmeralda. And yes, I am using Fenty lip gloss. I think I'm using number 6, I believe. And you guys, they have a great moisture. Now, I did not get this one at the beauty supply, so I did buy it from Sephora. But this is really cute, guys. Really TikTok. I love it. Tell me what you guys think. If you want to do another Disney princess, comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. And thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time. Ciao.